First, we will take customers to visit our showroom to showcase our latest styles and various specifications of LED screen products. You can personally experience the LED screen display effects of various pixel densities, sizes and application scenarios. Our exhibition hall displays the successful cases of previous customers, which will give you a more intuitive understanding of the wide application of LED screens in various industries. In the aging workshop, we will demonstrate the process of LED screens undergoing rigorous aging testing. These tests are designed to ensure the screen's stability and reliability in ongoing operation. You will be able to see firsthand our production processes and quality control measures and learn how we ensure the quality performance of every LED screen.